and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be showing you my everyday curls that I normally do. Sometimes I do mine a little bit loose, but I don't like mine tighter. I do somewhere in between. And then, by the way, those do not look like the Taylor Swift curls, by the way. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to be started by brushing out my hair, then I spray my heat tamer spray and brush it out to distribute it all throughout my hair. And then I just take a section of hair and I just curl my hair away from my face, leaving it there for a few seconds and let it go. And I'm going to be fast forwarding and repeating this process, so yeah, bye.
Every day we're survivors, so forget the day. It's all about tonight. Act a fool, start a riot, be a rebel. Bottles popping till we can't stand. We keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London, over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We're gonna party like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party like it's 2012. You know that it doesn't matter as long as we got each other. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world. Count it like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party like turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the trip with me. And let's make tonight go down in history, yeah.
Then after the hair is curled, I just brush it out to make them a little bit more loose, as opposed to tighter curls on me. Then I just take my hairspray and hairspray the curls just to make sure they would last forever. And even if it falls out, it'll still look pretty.
To London, over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We're gonna party like.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!